Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. On today bring you an update regarding the SNAP emergency allowment. So unfortunately you guys we previously informed you that the emergency allowment were ending. Right, so now comes the official announcement from the USDA, which is the US Department of Agriculture. They also recently announced when the emergency allowment will end, and more details of course are in this video. So make sure you guys stay until the end of video to ensure that you receive the information. Now before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus, child tax credit, SNAP, p-ebt and everything in between, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So let's start off this video with the official announcement from the USDA. So here it's called changes to SNAP benefit amount of the year 2023, and it starts by saying that there are several changes that may affect SNAP household benefit month over the coming month. Right, so the temporary boost to start benefit put in the place during the COVID-19 pandemic, known as the emergency allowance, will end nationwide after February 2023 issuance. Even down here it has some additional questions like why are the emergency allowance endings and will the emergency allowance impact my SNAP benefits? So let's dive into the details of this announcement. So the temporary boost to SNAP benefit put in place during the COVID-19 pandemic, once again known as the emergency allowance, will end nationwide after Feb 2023 issuance. So why are the emergency allowance ending? SNAP emergency allowance were a temporary strategy authorized by Congress to help low-income individuals and families deal with the hardship of the COVID-19 pandemic. So the Consolidated Appropriation Act of 2023 law recently passed by Congress and the emergency allowance were the February 2023 issuance. This means that by March 2023 all SNAP household benefit will return to normal amount without the added supplements. And so another question, it will the end of the emergency allowance impact my SNAP benefit? So if you actually live in a state that has already ended their emergency allowance, like several states including like Florida, Arizona or Georgia, then your benefits have already returned to the normal amounts and the recent law will not impact your benefit amount. However, if you live in a state like for example South Carolina, which is ending their emergency allowance after January 2023, then your benefit will return to normal amount in Feb of 2023. And if you live in any other state or territory, then your benefit will return to normal amount beginning with the March 2023 issuance. And if you are wondering how much will my benefit changes when the emergency allowance end, so the emergency allowance allowed all SNAP household to receive an additional $95 in benefits or an additional benefit valued up to the maximum benefit for their household size, whichever value is greater. So when emergency allowance end, you will return to your normal SNAP benefit amount, which depending on your household income may be less than the maximum benefit of your household size. So for the most people, it's going to be pre-pandemic level. Now, remember guys that the emergency allowance are ending at a nationwide level. However, certain states have already started to announce such changes on their website. So for example, let's start off with the state of Massachusetts. The Massachusetts.government website, and they are already pretty much announcing here that the federal extra pandemic SNAP benefit will end as of February 2023. Another state that is also announcing this is the state of Oath. Its Oath government website is a Department of Workforce Service. They are also announcing here the official and public news the federal pandemic emergency assistance program are ending. This includes the SNAP emergency allowance and the emergency rental assistance program, which are both temporary federal pandemic emergency assistance program that will end in the coming month, right? And lastly, we also have the state of Ohio. Its Ohio government website, they are also announcing here at the end of the emergency allowance. But once again, remember that the emergency allowance unfortunately are ending at a nationwide level. And that's all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.